Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a 60s cafe effect with Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, and if once you're on the website, you see that this is the central hub of everything AI, video effects and graphics design. Really crazy. Not really graphic design, but everything about VFX effects. So all you have to do to create something like the 60s effect is to go to the app section, scroll and choose the 60s effects area here. So once you're done, you can click on, you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see what you can do. Now upload your image in this area, and if you want to just take a picture of that particular effects and your image, you can click on generate image. But if you want to create a video similar to this, all you have to do is to select the video icon here, then scroll here and choose the generate video. It says it costs about 16 credits, but not to worry, because Higgsfield even allows you one or two free effects per day. So all you have to do is wait for 15 minutes or so after clicking on generating video, and your video will be generated. Then you can go on to download it. As you can see, was the original the original image uploaded, and this was the one that was created. Really stunning. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and